Starting a YouTube channel sounds exciting, but most beginners quit within a few months. In this video, I'll show you the right way to start a YouTube channel, even if you're a complete beginner. Most people fail on YouTube because they try too many things at once. Random videos, random topics, random ideas, and the channel never grows. YouTube rewards clarity and consistency, not randomness. The best channels answer one clear problem for one specific audience. So define your topic and you'll see real growth. Step 1, choose one simple niche. Your channel should answer one main question people search for. Step 2, make every video answer one clear question. For example, how to use this tool or how to solve this problem. You can see this in action right here. Step 3, keep your videos simple and beginner-friendly. Complicated content often pushes viewers away. Step 4, create a consistent visual style. Use similar thumbnails, colors, and titles so people recognize your videos instantly. Here on my MacBook, you can see how these thumbnails share a similar design. Step 5, stay consistent. Uploading regularly helps the YouTube algorithm understand your channel. Remember, growth on YouTube is not about being perfect. It's about learning and improving with every video. Like now, I'm reviewing this footage, seeing what works, and how to make it better. Your first videos may not get many views, but every successful creator started exactly the same way. Look, even this channel's analytics keep creating, and you'll see this growth. So remember, choose a niche, solve one problem per video, keep things simple, stay consistent, and improve over time. If you want to learn more about YouTube growth, AI tools, and content creation, subscribe to the channel for more simple guides like this.